Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to withdraw your XRP from KuCoin to your Tangem wallet in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, securing your assets in a hardware wallet like Tangem is a smart move to protect against hacks and market volatility. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes in, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. First things first, make sure you have your KuCoin account ready and your Tangem wallet properly set up and connected. Open the KuCoin app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallet section. It's usually right on the dashboard. Find your XRP balance and click on the Withdraw button next to it. Now, this is crucial. Double-check that you're selecting the correct network for XRP, which is typically the XRP Ledger network. Enter your Tangem wallet address carefully, copy and paste it from your Tangem app to avoid any typos, as these are irreversible. If XRP requires a memo or destination tag, make sure to add that too. It's often needed for smooth transactions. Next, you'll see a confirmation screen showing the amount, fees, and estimated arrival time. Review everything thoroughly. Fees can vary based on network congestion in 2025, so keep an eye on that. Once you're good, hit confirm and authorize the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from KuCoin. Now, switch to your Tangem wallet app and keep an eye out for the incoming XRP. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the blockchain. Pro tip: always withdraw a small test amount first to verify everything works. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your XRP to a safer spot. If you run into any issues, KuCoin's support is usually helpful, and remember, staying secure is key in the crypto world. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.